Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life. May Allah bless you and keep continue blessing you always with peace and happiness and all the success in your lives. Warmly welcome dear subscriber to my channel where we are ready to dive deep into the world of eye-popping shoulder-length haircuts and alluring blonde dyes that will leave you breathless. So dear viewers, join me as we embark on a journey of the hair transformation and exploration, unveiling the latest trends and timeless classics to help you find the perfect styles that complements your individuality. But that's not all. We also bring you the magic of the blonde dye, from the sun-kissed golden hue to icy platinum shades or the grayish hairs also here. So dear viewers, stay with me by my channel Life with Style and today's video, because this video is full of very amazing ideas of shoulder cut hair designs and hairstyles, haircut ideas for your gorgeous personality. So dear viewers, watch my video till end to get amazing ideas about your haircuts and that can boost up the personality and your confidence. Whether you are seeking a bold and edgy style or a soft and elegant look, my channel is your ultimate source of inspiration and guidance. So dear viewers, stay tuned for inspired tips, dye tutorial and exclusive interviews with industry's eye leaders. Keep watching, stay blessed and take care. And also comment me because your comments are very valuable for me. Take care.